Hey y'all, hey. I'm trying to get ready, right? And I decided that I'm gonna put on this top that I've never worn before, and I only bought it because it had all these freaking colors. And I just bought it not too long ago, but it doesn't really matter because it ain't like I grew much anyway since I've been born. But anywho, it kind of when I put it on, oh my head looks big. Does my head look big? Oh, maybe it's my glasses. I don't know. But anyway, I'm like, oh, wait a minute, my head. Okay, but anywho, once I pull my hair down, maybe my head won't look so big. But anyway, this shirt, maybe some of you ladies can help me because I don't buy a bunch of stuff from the women's department, and especially stuff that's girly. I don't really like a whole lot of it. But I bought this, I think, because of all the colors. I like colors. Somebody said, "What is your favorite color?" All of them. I like wearing all of them. If I could get them all on at one time, then that's what I'll do. But anywho, um, I'm just. Do I have this on backward? Like I don't. It doesn't feel comfortable. Like from here up, and this up is touching me right here. Like I don't need that right there. I don't need that. Or if I try to put, it doesn't go like that. It doesn't. That don't look right. Um, and it's like, see this part right here. Like, is it supposed to be open or flapped? Like, what was you thinking when you made this piece? Whoever made this. Uh, so, and it's really not big enough for me to upcycle. Um, so I don't know what I want to do. I'm not gonna wear it. I just thought I'd get on here. I thought I'd get on here and be like, "Am I crazy or is this?" I think if I don't know, I really don't know what to think. I just know it doesn't feel right. It does not feel right. It may look okay, but it doesn't feel good on me. It's just too many things. And I don't want to keep having to think about this here not laying like this. If it's gonna flap, which I guess it should flap, so then it wouldn't hit me underneath here. But do anybody have a shirt like this? Like the ruffles at the top. Like I didn't even look at this top good. All I seen was colors. That's it. That's all I seen. But let me go change so I can get out of here. Y'all have a good day.